Warmly welcome to our YouTube channel Geviliya's Cooking. Uh, Today, our Geviliya has come outside of her kitchen to the nearest woods to prepare a special meal. Actually, she has come out for change. Her garden is close to a lagoon, so she expects to prepare a new food item. Is something collected from that area. As you can see, she lives in the dry zone, and you can see some trees and shrubs uh, grow well in that area. Now she is going towards her cultivation. Uh, it is somewhat difficult to reach that area because it is full of thorny shrubs. As you can see, she is coming towards the kochi plant, and now she's picking some kochi. Do you know, kochi is kind of chilies, but it is very hotter than normal green chilies. Now she is going to pick some green leaves called kangkung. Kangkung is a plant full of vitamins and minerals, and it is very popular in Sri Lankan restaurants. Uh, Actually, this plant grows well during the rainy season. Uh, as you can see, this time is the dry season of Sri Lanka. Then that's why the cultivation is not so rich. But as you can see, she can collect sufficient kangkung plants from a garden to prepare the food item. Sri Lankans usually prepare some curries with this kangkung, but today she is going to make a different food item. First, she is going to prepare some rice. You can see she is washing it, and then she's making a hearth, a temporary hearth out of some stones, and she's collecting the firewood from the garden. And she lights the hearth. Now she is putting the pot of rice on the hearth. Now she is going to add some salt, and then she adds some cinnamon, which enhances the quality and the taste of the rice. You can see a tamarind tree in her garden full of tamarind. It is also an indigenous plant tree for in this area. Now the rice is boiled. Now she is adding some margarine to the rice. And she stirs it well. These are bamboo trees which provides shade to this dry zone. She is cooking under that bamboo bush. Now she is going to pick the kangkun leaves. And you can see she is collecting the stems of kangkun to another basket made out of cane. A child is swinging while singing Onchilivaram, which can be heard during Sinhala and New Year, Sinhala and Tamil New Year festival. Now she's washing the kangkung leaves, and now you can see she's grinding some ginger and garlic together, which enhances the taste of any food item. Actually, she uses natural things. She never uses artificial things to enhance the taste of her food items. Now she is pouring some coconut oil into a pan, and she's adding some curry leaves. Actually, curry leaves has the power of reducing cholesterol levels of blood. Now she is adding ginger and garlic mixture. Now she is adding some chopped onions and stirs it well. Now she is adding some saffron, and then she adds some curry powder, and then she adds some chili pieces. Actually, Sri Lankans prefer hot food items. Now she is adding some tomato sauce. Now she adds the kangkun leaves and mixes it well. You can see the kangkun leaves has attractive green color, and when she cooks it, she takes care to protect the green color of that green leaves. And now she is adding the rice to it and stirs it well. She is adding rice little by little and mixes it well. Actually, any food item must have the power of attracting eyes. That rice has that quality. And now she took the rice out of the hearth, and as you can see, the rice is ready now. Now she is cutting the stems of kangkung into small pieces. She is going to chop the kochi into house. Now she is going to prepare another food item. She is pouring some vinegar to a clay pot. Now she is adding some pepper. Now she adds some mustard and saffron also. After that she adds some chili powder and mixes it well, and then she adds some salt, and after that she added some garlic and ginger to it and stirs well. I think she is going to prepare a pickle, which is very popular in Sri Lanka. Now she is adding the pieces of kangkun stems and the kochi. Sri Lankans usually prepare pickles with raw pepper or carrot, but this food item is very different. Now she is adding the chopped onions. When you prepare this kind of food item, you must use a clay pot. Now the pickle is ready. Look at the appetizing color of that food item. Now she has already almost prepared the food items, which is fond of children. Now she is going to taste it with her child. Actually, this food item can be easily made and very cheap. Anyone can prepare it very easily. Now she is going to taste it. If you want to watch this kind of videos in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Geviliya Easy Cooking. Actually, we like to know your ideas, so you can comment on what do you prefer, outside cooking or inside cooking. Please comment us. Thanks for watching.